Nobody can't get more. Having sex?
Nope.
Can y'all have sex? What?
I did not say that. I said can I have my pussy sex?
I'm gonna walk away. I don't want to hear about y'all sexing.
Let's go. Stop playing.
She just asked him if they could have sex. Okay, so if y'all want to walk with the...
No. I'm taking the physical care of this, buddy.
If he want to have sex.
Uh-oh.
No, she said you want to have sex.
Legs, no romance, legs.
All right, can we walk now?
Right, we
Standing in one place, they're going to get us put out.
No, he good. Time to buddy.
Hey, you've been standing here for 65 seconds.
Always go to your left.
Oh! Pretty bitch. Look at that pretty bitch. I will fuck the shit out of that car.
I will fuck that mirror, nigga.
No, what are you talking about? The vet always passes the mirror.
Oh yes, the vet always surpasses the mirror. Always.
Somebody had a red ball on the streets. That bitch was cold.
Huh?
Oh, I can do that. Fuck you gonna have to share with everyone. Oh, stop playing. Put that on camera. He got an Adidas shirt on with Air. Hey man, you got an Adidas shirt on with Air Ones, man? What's wrong with you?
I don't get it.
That's exactly what I said too. It looked like it's saying too.
Rich can.
That's it, Rich can. That's a movie kid? Nah.
Need to read this shirt one more time. I have the dick. Look at him pointing at her. He told her he had the dick. So I make the rules.
Lured by
Bingo.
720s.
Damn, niggas about dark as fuck outside, dog.
Cool.
Evening.
White Cisco.
Yeah,
With no shirt on though. And an open jacket.
maybe I should take my shirts off too.
Maybe I should show the
If I
taco
take my
meat.
shirt off, he's gonna take his shirt off. We're all gonna take our shirts off. It used to be here.
Oh wow.
Never mind.
As you can see,
Probability stands correct.
he is traumatized.
Oh my god. What was that? That nigga flipped over there. Y'all stupid. That nigga was acting dumb.
Because you on a marching band? Where's you stepping?
See?
He's an asshole, I'm sorry.
Fuck me! That nigga in the freak step. 722? Yeah, we should make up our own shit then. That's the case. 720 what? What? Make up our own shit. Come in like.
Okay.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Yo. Excuse me.
Did anybody tell you to put this on my ear?
He did that.
Why you put this on my ear?
Uh-oh.
I know your fucking ass.
That's some shit. That's some bullshit.
No, we ain't doing theirs. We're doing our own. Even though he looked like he having a seizure in a marching band, but you don't know what the hell he doing, but he doing something. That nigga just did the twist.
That's how you do it though.
That nigga might as well do the tuck and duck.
I don't know how to do that shit. Show me real quick.
She took that.
Literally, like, show me how to do that. How you do it? It's like, yeah, you gotta feel it.
Freaking lesbos.
Don't. It's my name.
Freaking lesbos.
I'm gay. I'm gay.
Freaking lesbos.
What's up, mom? Hey, Chuck, D.M.N, you know.
Going on the escalator.
We ain't playing, man. We out here. We take this serious, man. You either get down or stay down, boy, or get stumped 100 feet deep.
Oh, get on this escalator. Go and shit in that one spot over there.
My niggas, what up? Yo, come on. Come on, hurry. That nigga leaves by Christmas.
Lesbos. Lesbos. She's in her zone. They're gay.
Why you look like you Hey, where them sluts? Where them sluts? Sluts.
Sluts, nigga.
Sluts, not broad, sluts. Like with a look. You gotta put some spit in it. When you say slut, like slut.
You mean like when you be like, you fucker?
Yeah, when you fucker.
When you fucker.
You gotta bend over and say, come on,
Bend over the
man.
slut.
Come on, man. Come on.
Damn it, man. Oh, you young fuckers.
Come on, man. Get my cell phone, man.
Smell it. Smell it. 720, smell it. What it smell like?
Excuse
Which
you?
brand required for hotel access?
Squeeze me.
Right on, right there.
Sir, pull your pants up. We're inside General Motors headquarters.
Which sir? Oh. Of course I got.
I can't get his voice. I can't do his voice.
Cool.
His voice, I can't do his voice.
Sir,
No.
Sir.
sir, you're
No.
inside General Motors headquarters.
No, I can't.
Pull your
Sir.
pants up.
Sir, you're inside General Motors headquarters. Pull your pants up right now. Please. I asked
Man, nigga, shit, you the only one looking though. Like, he the only one looking.
Fuck him, nigga. Bitch.
Now you can see my baby better. Or you can see that better. Cake.
Soldier boy.
General Motors headquarters. Pull your pants up.
Look at this guy. He's gonna go to sleep.
The white t-shirt, boy.
Hey man, it's the General Motors is like the cleanest place you can.
Let's see if I can do one. Oh!
Push up.
Oh, it's on my back.
She just farted.
Falling off.
Get up there. Put that push up, asshole. I want you to get up there. Push. Ooh, crack. Crack.
I told you my pants was falling off.
You need to wear a belt, lady. What female you know that sag hard, nigga, like this?
That one.
Yeah, we got
You recording me? Without a reason, I think about us. And I think about the way I rap without speaking. I think about us. Sing it. I think about the without a reason. Okay, I'm about to break down right here.
Get into it.
I think about the way we laugh without reason. I think about us, girl, baby.
Oh, that shit look gay. Oh yeah, that shit gay.
Somebody tell me why I feel like I'm not.
Nigga nasty, dog. What the fuck? Oh!
You got my phone?
Yo, smooth jazz.
Yo. Hey.
This nigga, dog. He look like a tall jerk.
Remember the Blue Meanie was doing that off of Russell?
Ah!
Y'all remember the Blue Meanie?
So Goldberg, Gold Dust looking at us.
Ooh!
Oh, y'all
You gay.
remember?
Alvin's.
That's what you look like. This nigga, dog. That shit was really homo performance, dog. Then they come out in a towel and then his underwear. That was the most gayest shit ever.
Can I dance?
Hold on.
Get up there and break it out, old woman.
Dance.
Get out there and show them some new moves, ladies.
Not an old woman.
Hit my hand 720. Hit the hand.
Hey, buddy.
You make me first.
Oh, hey, oh, shit. 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 Oh, I thought he was about to do. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh, look at this old buddy.
Oh, we should battle, man.
Yo. Like that nigga was in the parking lot that night. Why we keep saying that? Oh shit. Oh, yo, dance 360 ass. Oh shit. Oh. Go.